Now that you have personalized the app to your visual preferences, it's time to create your first deck of flashcards. For every presentation you have, create a new deck of PresentPal flashcards. Add a title and a date of the presentation to get started. There are lots of kinds of presentations you can create PresentPal flashcards for. You don't need to have a slideshow. For the overall topic or presentation, create a new deck, and for each subtopic or slide, create a new flashcard. For example, how common are mental health challenges? You can choose from Smart Flashcard Creation or Create Bullet when building your flashcards. Use your voice or paste notes. The choice is yours with Smart Create. Once you have recorded your notes for that flashcard, hit Summarize. Watch as the Smart Summarization creates optimized bullet points. Review suggested points, edit if needed, and personalize the talking points. Adding safety nets with additional images or text if you wish to have extra support. Repeat for each flashcard until you have created all of your notes for your presentation. If you already know what you want your flashcards to be, select Create Bullet. For this, we recommend breaking down your notes into 3 to 5 key bullet points per flashcard, using key trigger words for each bullet point. Not only will this help you remember your content, supporting your working memory, but it will also help you keep your audience as you're not reading from a script. Sometimes you might need a bit of extra reassurance if you get anxious or your mind goes blank. That's why we have a feature called Safety Net. Safety nets are extra bits of information to help you expand on talking points and get you back on track. Tap the safety net icon on your bullet point and add in any other information you want to remember. You can also add images to your safety net, whether you want to explain a diagram or you find it easier to discuss images over text. Repeat this process for the rest of your presentation.